Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Divya English Academy. So in this video we will learn the use of even. The word even is known adverb and adjective also. Hindi meanings are there. For example, भले ही, क्यों ना, चाहे, हालांकि, something like that. And this is very important word in English language. छोटा सा word लेकिन बहुत matter करता है. For example, number one. We use even to say something unusual or surprising, unexpected. The use of even can be used for surprising, unexpected, or unusual, which doesn't happen usually. Now, for example, Tina loves watching television. She has a TV every room of the house, even the bathroom. Having TV in bathroom is little bit surprising, unusual, unexpected. At that case, we are using the use of even. Number one, we use even with unexpected things, unusual, or else surprising. And number two, the use of even. You can use even with verb, forms of verb, in the middle of the sentence. It can be in the middle of the sentence also. For example, look at here. She has traveled all over world. She has been even in USA. Here we are using even with verb. Another examples. They are very rich. They even have their private jet. The use of even with verb. Number three, even plus comparative. As we know that there are 3 degrees of adjective: positive, comparative, and superlative. For example, I got up very early, but Rishi got up even earlier. Comparing. मैं जल्दी उठा, हालांकि ऋषि मेरे से भी पहले उठा, earlier. Now, finally, number 4, even though, even when, even if. This is used with subject verb. This is used with subject verb. For example, even though she can't drive, subject verb. She can't drive, she bought a car. Even though she can't drive, she bought a car. So now let's get feedback from the students. The use of even, at least telling 1 sentences of each. Sadhana. Okay. Your sentence is, सिचुएशन चाहे कितनी भी खराब क्यों ना हो, हमें हमेशा अपने परिवार के साथ रहना चाहिए.
Even if situation gets worse, we should always stand with our family.
Yeah. Even situation gets very worse, we should always stand with our family. Let's clap for her.
Disha loves watching TV. She has a TV every room of the house, even the bathroom.
Okay. Okay, what's your sentence? Speak.
Even if he becomes very rich, he will remain my friend.
Once again.
Even if he becomes very rich, he will remain my friend.
What does it mean?
It means that वह चाहे कितना भी अमीर हो जाए, रहेगा तो मेरा दोस्त ही.
वो चाहे कितना भी अमीर क्यों ना हो, पर रहेगा मेरा
दोस्ती.
मित्र ही, दोस्त ही. Even if he becomes very rich, he will remain my friend. Very good. Let's clap for him also. What is your sentence? Speak. चाहे मैं वहाँ नहीं जाऊँ तो भी मुझे सभी जानते हैं.
Everybody knows me even if I don't go there.
What does it mean in Hindi?
वहाँ चाहे मैं ना जाऊँ तो भी वहाँ पर मुझे सब जानते हैं.
Very good. Manageable Hindi. Let's clap for him.
They are very rich. They even have their private jet.
Very good. Sit down.